Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to change video size or frame size in Adobe Premiere. As you can see, I have a video here that doesn't quite fit in the frame. The simplest way to fix this is to stretch out your video. This can be done by right-clicking on the video clip on the timeline and selecting Set to Frame Size or Scale to Frame Size. For more manual control, you can also adjust the scale by double-clicking your clip in the video preview window. Handles will then appear on the corners of your video. Drag one of the handles to uniformly scale your video clip to fit the frame. If you need to stretch your video without locking to a uniform aspect ratio, go over to Effect Controls, and under Motion Properties, uncheck the Uniform Scale checkbox. Now, if you drag any handle again on your video, it will stretch instead of maintaining its original aspect ratio. Let's say you want to reduce the frame size of your whole sequence rather than stretching your video to fit into the frame. To do this, first right-click your video clip on the timeline and click Properties. This will open a small window showing that video's properties. Take note of the image size. In this case, it's 1280 by 720. Then go up to the Sequence menu and select Sequence Settings. Now adjust the frame size to the resolution of the original video. In this case, 1280 by 720, as shown earlier. Then hit OK on both of the pop-ups. And that's it. Now your video frame should fit snugly to the videos on your sequence. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.